Welcome to IBP Premium Mumbai on Chapters Meets on 4th September 2024. This is Subrata Chaudhary here from IBP News. I am the chief editor. Along with me, Dr. Mala Athina. She is our news editor.
Hello. Hello everyone.
And another lady, beautiful lady with us, that is Simranji. She is basically in charge for IBP and Coffee Chat, because Coffee Chat is an international platform app, and she is in charge for in India, and IBP is the channel partner of that. Hi Simranji.
Hello everyone. I'm from the management team of IBP and Coffee Chat app.
Good afternoon everyone. This is Dr. Malahat Hina, news editor IBP News. Today we are at the meet of IBP Mumbai Chapter 1. It's 4th of September and today we are here in the afternoon. It's a lovely meet, lovely session, lovely people. There are a lot of new members, there are a lot of old members, as you guys can see. There are a lot of stalls put up. Like this time we have wonderful stalls because after a couple of days we have Ganpati Ji's coming. So we have lovely stalls, we have lovely jewelry, we have skin products, hair products, we have numerologists, then we have a couple of chocolatiers, a lot of other people as well. So it's a beautiful one-to-one meet wherein people are interacting with each other. They're busy with their work and we're really enjoying here. So it's a wonderful setup, and we have new members, we have old members. The new members are meeting with old members and they are interacting for a one-to-one basis. Hi, what's your name and what do you do?
Hello, this is Premlata. This is Advocate Premlata because I am a practicing advocate and I am also a solicitor, also on the panel of government panels which I am handling the matters, and rest of the society matters and other matters which I do handle. So I can say that I am doing a one kind of social service which we help the people to come out of all the difficulties which they face in their societies, in the day-to-day things where the people stuck up in the legal activities. So we try to bring them out of all these legal issues, and end of the day that called social service, where the people are happy to get something which really they are stuck up. Thank you.
Oh, wow, that's so wonderful. So we'll be needing you, yeah, Mrs. Premlata Jain. Thank you so much. Yeah. Hi, what's your name and what do you do?
I'm myself Dr. Divya Malhotra, and I'm Queen of Numbers and Planets, which is termed as numerologist from Numerology Precise Solutions. So today I have displayed my books, and my aim is to go these books to each and everybody's house, so as many as people can get benefit out of it.
Thank you so much. Yeah. What's your name and what do you do?
My name is Mayank Thakkar and I am the managing director of a company called LIM Technologies Private Limited. People call us masters and encyclopedia of CCTV cameras, and we have done some amazing projects like Siddhi Vinayak Temple, ISKCON Temple, and Juhu and Kharghar. Done more than 22 schools, colleges, and more than 500 housing societies all over Mumbai. So I love my job.
Oh wow, thank you so much. Yeah, thanks a lot. Yeah. What do you do and what's your name?
Yeah, hi, my name is Gauri Shankar Iyer. I am into investments and real estate advisory. We guide the customer what are the ABCDs of investment, and we help them through their entire investment journey.
Thank you so much. I think we'll be needing you. Thank you so much, Mr. Gauri Shankar. What's your name and what do you do?
My name is Amman Lakrawala and we are into manufacturing of modular furniture for offices, residents and institutions as per client's requirement and need.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Hi, what's your name and what do you do?
Hi. Every time Malhati asks the same thing, you know my name by now. So I am Malia Chishti. I'm a stylist and a fashion designer, and I'm running a discount of worth 50% and 75% off. So please come and visit.
Yes, please come and visit because lovely discount and lovely colorful clothes. So please come and visit. Yes, it's a festive season. Now we have Ganpati, we have a lot of other things also. So you all can come and see Navratri and everything. So it's wonderful, it's very colorful, it's beautiful. So please come. Yes. Oh, that's a testimony. Have you bought it?
Yeah, I bought this. This is so nice color. I love it.
Yeah, it look very nice on you. Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay. Wow. What's your name and what do you do?
My name is Veena Srivastava and we have a granite yard in Andheri East, and we have a multiple stone showroom in Kandivali East, and we design the multiple stone artifacts too, and do flooring and cladding as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Veena ji. What's your name and what do you do?
I am Anupam Shakti, and I have been working as a healer and counselor for the last 20 years, I should say, because I have been working as an English teacher for the last 20 years. Right now, I am completely devoted to counseling and healing. So I help people come out of any sort of pain, insomnia. Also, I am associated with Lion Club. So through Lions Club, I am going to Cancer Hospital to conduct sound healing session for cancer patients. Also, wherever I am getting any opportunity in schools, institution, I am conducting workshops for the students for mental health awareness. One more very important thing, September month is the month of prevention of suicide. So I am here to aware, to enlighten and bring hope in any of the individual who are really shocked, shattered, or willing to get just a boost to move ahead in their life. I'm there for you to listen to you. Thank you. Anupam Shakti.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Yeah. What's your name and what do you do?
My name is Namrata Taparia and my brand name is Namka Jhumka. होली हो, दिवाली हो, ईद हो, क्रिसमस हो, कोई भी फेस्टिवल हो, अपने भारत में बंटन ना तो हर किसी को है. और ये जो ज्वेलरी आप देख रहे हो, ये सारा यूनिक कलेक्शन आपके पर्सनालिटी के अकॉर्डिंग डिज़ाइन करके मैं बनाती हूँ. सो यू कैन कस्टमाइज योर डिज़ाइन एज पर योर आउटफिट एंड ऑल. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, Namrata ji. बहुत ही कलरफुल दिख रहा है. Thank you so much. Yeah, hi. What's your name and what do you do?
Hi, I am Preeti Shah. I am into FMCG products, ready to eat and exotic dry fruit sweets. So my FMCG product has a 12-month shelf life without any preservatives and coloring, which stays fresh for 12 months because of the retort technology. And I do dry fruit sweets for Diwali, for Ganpati, for Raksha Bandhan, any festive season, for wedding giveaways. We do dry fruit sweets, we do milk-based modaks. We have lots and lots of variation, and we can do a customization also as per the client's requirements.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. What's your name and what do you do?
Hello, I am Devesh Gupta. My company name is Mahavir Sales Corporation. We are into flooring and wall covering solutions. We can provide wooden flooring, vinyl flooring, carpets, wallpapers, customized posters, artificial grass, vertical garden. These are line of products. And for more details, we can do one-to-one meet. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. What's your name and what do you do?
I'm CMA Sadanand Sahasrabuddhe. We help businesses remove the energy related risks, and there are two major risks that we address. One is that of from fire, which can devastate entire thing and wipe out their accumulated profits, and other risk is that of ever increasing energy cost. For fire, we offer end-to-end fire protection systems, including fire alarm system as well as separation systems. In case of ever increasing energy cost, we offer solutions that can either reduce usage or reduce rate or both. For reducing usages, we offer energy audit and industrial LED lighting. For reducing rates, we offer solar solutions. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sadanand ji. Thanks a lot. Hello, hi. What's your name and what do you do?
Hi dear, I am Anu Kapoor from Chocopal, and I have got my own brand called Chocopal, and these are my chocolates what sir is showing. And today I have got the modaks also, chocolate modaks for Ganpati as Bappa is arriving.
Oh, wow.
So we've got the chocolate modaks also. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. What's your name and what do you do?
Myself, Bhanuprakash Gupta, scientist BARC. I am associated with Mission Healthy India, followed by Mission Organic India. Promoter of our medicines is Dr. Vijay Bhatkar. He is a great scientist of India. And CMD is Dr. Ramesh Patil, MD Medicine Gold Medalist. Our medicines is published in Lancet, as well as we have 18 national international certifications. Our USP is we can reverse sugar, thyroid, cancer, kidney failures. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Bhanuji. Thanks a lot. Yeah. What's your name and what do you do?
My name is Komal Makhija and I'm into home decor, and these are few of the things that I made for Ganpati. I do also Mandela art, so this is a different thing, and a lot of hand embroidered products also.
Thank you so much, Komalji. Thanks a lot. Hi, what's your name and what do you do?
Hi, my name is Roop Lakhani, and whenever you get stuck in your life, whenever you are confused about what to do next, whenever you want to create your desired outcome and you don't know how to go about, this is Roop Lakhani. I'm a tarot coach and more. And this is how I'm going to help you to reach your goals by creating your right energies. Thank you.
We'll be needing you, Mrs. Roop Lakhani. Thank you so much. Yeah. What's your name and what do you do?
Hi, I'm Dr. Priyanka. So I'm a pediatric dentist and I have a kids and braces specialty clinic in Mahavir Nagar, Kandivali West. So I'm always there to help you in all your dental needs. We have all specialists for all treatments. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Priyanka. Thanks.